By following this series of videos, we'll help you improve your sketching skills and break down the basics behind all sketches. Just like sport, playing music and playing games, sketching is something that improves the more you practice. Straight lines, arcs, circles and ellipses are the fundamentals to being able to draw anything. Start by drawing straight lines using your full arm. Draw dots on the page. These act as targets for you to aim to draw between. This helps improve your accuracy. Notice how some directions are more difficult than others because of the way your arm naturally moves. By rotating your paper, you can take advantage of the drawing angle that is most naturally comfortable. Next, practice drawing circles. It's a good idea to float your pen above the page before touching the paper, just like a golfer practicing their swing before hitting the ball. Ellipses or ovals are flattened circles and are used to illustrate circular objects when seen from different angles or in perspective. For example, a car wheel when you view the car from the corner, or the top of a mug on a table. Keep practicing drawing ellipses of differing sizes and depths. Arcs or curved lines create movement and dynamism in sketches and objects. Again, to draw these, take advantage of the natural movement of your arm and rotate the paper to maintain smooth, clean lines. Bringing all these shapes together, we can construct a much more complex object, typically considered to be hard to draw, like a car. To see more of our videos and learn how to draw cars and much more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in becoming a designer, then find out more about our university courses on our website.